everyone, I'm Gurleen. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we'll be discussing the trade plan for tomorrow, that is April 25th, 2023 for Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll also take a quick look at Fin Nifty for the monthly expiry. We'll also discuss a few select stocks wherein good risk to reward opportunities are brewing up. So be sure to stick around till the end of the video and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and do ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update. So let's start by taking a look at the technical perspective of Nifty 50 on the daily time frame. So as we've been discussing over the course of the last week, once again, Nifty traded sideways within the range of the candlestick that was registered on the last Monday, and today we've also seen a bounce coming in from the lows and the 200 simple moving average, and today Nifty has registered a hammer candlestick on the daily charts. Now here, the long wick on the downside signifies the presence of buyers at the lower levels. And in the weekly outlook as well, we discussed that it's probably the last chance for Nifty to bounce off from the lower end of the range, and in that case, the immediate level to watch out for on the upside would be 17,770. And today you can see that Nifty has posted a closing around that very level itself. So what's the way ahead for the markets? Let's take a look at the hourly time frame to understand that, and also take a look at the trading approach as well. Now we discussed that the only level defending Nifty on the downside is the level of 17,574. So we can come to the conclusive remark that till the time this level of 17,574 is held in the index, it's likely for Nifty to march up higher. Also, you can see that Nifty has closed near this resistance zone. So in the upcoming trading sessions, we might see some supply pressure coming in from the same. Also, if you are looking to build fresh long positions, the approach is really simple, that we need to wait for a breakout of this level of 17,770, and in that case the immediate targets on the upside can be 17,840 to 17,926. And on the flip side, till the time Nifty is in the range, it's unlikely for a shorting opportunity to open up, but let's consider the possibility as well. If at all Nifty breaks this downside level of 17,574, only then a shorting opportunity would open up, and in that case Nifty can possibly test the levels of 17,500 followed by 17,485 on the downside. Now as we are approaching the monthly expiry on Thursday, so we'll keep both the alternatives open. Now let's talk about the support and resistance levels for Nifty. So the support is placed at 17,574 followed by 17,485, whereas the resistance is placed at 17,770 followed by 17,840. Now let's move to Bank Nifty, but right before we start, RBI allowed HDFC Bank to increase its stake in HDFC Life and HDFC Ergo above 50%, and this comes across as a double booster. Now HDFC Bank will have almost all subsidiaries within itself. This also means that the overhang of a possible 19% sale goes away. Now to put it simply, the de-rating in HDFC Life was mainly because of the uncertainty going on, but after the news, it looks like that it has become a preferred pick and the stock was up more than 6% in the trading session. We'll also talk and discuss about the technical perspective of the stock towards the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end to find out. Now coming back to the daily time frame of Bank Nifty, we had been discussing over the last week that Bank Nifty was trading at the crucial polarity zone of 41,650 to 41,800. Now I have talked about polarity in another video and I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Now here you can see that Bank Nifty as of now is on the safer side as it is holding on to this level of 41,650 to 41,800. Also in today's trading session, you can see that Bank Nifty has posted a closing above the high of this candlestick. Now the question is that is the breakout going to sustain? Well, today Bank Nifty was backed by the constituent banking stocks wherein almost all the names were either trading flat or in green, and we also discussed the latest news that came in. So for this momentum to continue towards the levels of 43,000, it's crucial for Bank Nifty to give a follow through on the upside. Now let's take a look on the hourly chart to understand the trading approach approach for tomorrow. Now, in the last video, we discussed that there might be spikes on both the sides and a long trade opportunity would only open up above this high of 42,385. Now, here you can also see that after having opened on a gap up basis, Bank Nifty consolidated within a narrow range and then gave a breakout on the upside, initiating a fresh long trade towards the immediate targets of 42,500 to 42,600. Now, over here, a pullback towards the breakout level or the moving averages cannot be ruled out, and the immediate support levels can be considered as the hourly moving averages placed at the levels of 42,352 followed by 42,180. And on an intraday basis, if Bank Nifty takes out this very high of 42,715, then in that case we can expect Bank Nifty to inch higher up towards a target level of 43,000. As of now, the maximum downside looks capped at the level of 41,800, and for the monthly expiry on Thursday, it's possible for Bank Nifty to expire above the 41,800 mark. Now for Bank Nifty, the support is placed at 42,352 followed by 42,180, whereas the resistance is placed at 42,715 followed by 43,000. Let's also take a quick look at Fin Nifty for the monthly expiry. So here on the daily chart, you can see that Fin Nifty is still trading within the range of the candlestick that was registered on last Monday, and we have seen decent amount of buyers present at the lower levels. So it's highly likely for Fin Nifty to expire within the range of 18,800 to 19,100. On the hourly chart, you can see that Fin Nifty has broken out of this range of inside bar, and here an upside target of about 19,100 can be anticipated in the index, and the immediate support levels can be considered as 18,847 followed by 18,786. Also, the maximum downside level for Fin Nifty is capped at the levels of 18,665 for now. Now let's move to stocks, starting with ICICI Bank. Now in the last video, we discussed that ICICI Bank was trading at quite an interesting point, and if it holds on to this zone of 878 to 882, then in the upcoming trading sessions, it's possible for ICICI Bank to inch higher towards the targets of 920 to 925. So today we have seen positive momentum in the stock, and it's close to the target of 920 to 925, so it's best to trail the gains over here. The next on the list is the update on Hdfc Bank. So Hdfc Bank is trading closer to the 1700 mark, and it has approached the level multiple times and hasn't been able to sustain above the same. Now for the trajectory to unfold on the upside, it's important for Hdfc Bank to surpass this level of 1700, and it's only a matter of time before it does that, and the immediate target on the upside would be the all-time high level of 1725, and above that we can expect Hdfc Bank to extend the gains. Now let's talk about HDFC Life. So it's trading close to the level of 550, and considering the news inflows and the re-rating and also the technical chart wherein it's trading above the key moving averages, so here it's likely for HDFC Life to possibly reclaim the 600 mark, which again happens to be a strong resistance for the stock, and in this case the invalidation level can be considered as the low of 510. Let's also take a look at State Bank of India. If you remember, we've been tracking State Bank of India from the harmonic reversal level of 501, and I was anticipating a near-term target of 555, which has been achieved in the stock. Now if you are looking to build fresh positions in the counter, a pullback would be a good opportunity to do that. Now here on the hourly chart, if at all State Bank of India pulls back towards the levels of 548 to 550, then a long trade can be initiated for an extended target of about 565 to 570, and here an invalidation level can be considered as the low of 535. The last one would be Jubilant FOODWORKS. Now the interesting point on the daily chart is that the stock has held on to this low of 418.75 firmly and hasn't registered a new sustainable low. As of now, it's near the resistance level of 450 and looks stable. So it's possible for the stock to break out of this resistance level and inch higher towards the levels of 470 to 500 on a medium term basis. Now here longs can be initiated at the breakout of this resistance level at 450, and in that case the invalidation level can be placed at the lows. Well, that's it for the day, and on that note, it's Gurleen signing signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.